Yes, hi guys, welcome to Kyle Tips Bet. Today we want to introduce to you a new betting strategy called the rollover betting strategy. This rollover strategy is very simple. It means you must win non-stop for the days you've decided to roll over. So if you say 3 days rollover, it means you must be playing and winning each and every day for 3 days, or you win 3 days back to back or non-stop. After the 3 days have won, then you change the stake to a different one. So to start, you need to follow a few rules. One, you should always stake 10% of your capital. Number two, you must win 3 days in a row in order to change to another stake. If you don't win 3 days in a row, then you should not change. You continue using the same stake which you have started with. So for a 2 days rollover, it means you must win 2 days non-stop. After winning 2 days non-stop, again you go to a new stake. If you lose in any of those 2 days, then you will continue betting or staking the same stake. For 3 days rollover, you must win 3 days non-stop. After winning 3 days non-stop, the 4th day you change your stake. Okay, now let's go to the table. We are saying our strategy is 3 days odd 1.5 rollover. It means we shall be playing or sending you odds of around 1.5, which are very safe, 1 match or 2 only. And 3 days rollover means we have to win 3 days non-stop before we change our stake. If we don't win 3 days non-stop, then we will continue staking the same capital. Okay, let's go to the table that you see there on the screen, and we go to the column for date. On day 1, okay, let's go to the column for capital first. We had our capital of 200,000 and we multiplied it by 10% to get a stake, and the stake we got is 20,000. So we staked 20,000 and we lost it. So you can see here, this one in red is negative 20,000, meaning we lost 20,000. So from our capital we lost 20,000 on day 1, and now our new capital is 180,000. So we went on to day 2. Because we lost, so we continue playing the same stake that we had got, which was 20,000. So on day 2 here, our capital was 80,000. We pulled out 20,000 again and placed on our odd of odd 1.5. After playing on odd 1.5, we won 30,000, but in this column of profit or loss, we only record our profit. So we won 30,000 minus the stake, which was 20,000. So the profit was 10,000. So our capital now will have increased to 190. Remember, it was 180. You picked 20,000, you won 30, so it increased by 10. Now it is 190. Again, we go to the 3rd day. Now our capital was 190,000. We picked 20. We are still playing 20,000 until when we win 3 days in a row or non-stop. That is what we call a rollover. So on day number 3, our capital was 190,000, the stake was 20 still, and our capital was 10. So our new capital is 200,000. Then on the 4th day, again we played 20,000 and we made a profit of 10,000, and our capital now is 210,000. But remember, now we have rolled over. We have one non-stop for 3 days. After rolling over, now we are going to change our stake. So our capital is 210,000 now, and we multiply it by 10%, and we get our new stake, which is 21,000. That one highlighted in orange. So our stake is 21,000, but on day 5, as you can see, we lost. So this one will record it as negative 21,000, and now our capital will have reduced to 189,000. So day number 6, our capital was 189,000. We continue playing 21,000. We won, and our net profit was 10,500, and the new capital will be 199,500. So we continued until we won 3 days in a row, which was day 6, day 7, day 8. After the 3 days of rollover, we need to change again to a new stake. Each time you win 3 times in a row, you change stake. 3 times in a row, you change stake. If you don't win, you maintain the stake. Okay, so day 6, day 7, day 8, we all won. Those are 3 days rollover. Now we start another day, which is day 9. With our capital of 220, we multiply it by 10%, we get 22,100, which is our new capital. Again we won, so our net profit was 11. Okay, 11,050. I hope you know how we are getting it. We said if you are staking 22,100 on an odd of 1.5, the money you get, you subtract 22,100 to get 11,050. So we won on day 9, day 10, day 11. Those are 3 days rollover. So that means again we are going to change our capital. So on day 12, our capital was 253,650. Again, now we multiply it by 10% to get our new stake, which is 25,365. So you continue like that. After winning 3 days non-stop, you multiply the new capital by 10% to get stake. Again, you move 3 days. If you fail to get 3 days, you maintain the stake. Let's go, for example, to day 25. Day 25, we had our capital 405,061. We multiplied it by 10 to get 40,506, but we lost. So we continued maintaining the same until day 29, which one, day 31, day 31, 1. Those are 3 days rollover. But for this case, the month has ended, which has 31 days. So we just stop there. Then we subtract our initial capital, which was 200,000, from this total amount, 303. So we get a total of 103,769 net profit. The system is very profitable, I encourage you to study that table and just master it. And this is what we are going to be doing. It is really, really profitable. So we are going to switch to this business, and I think we will make more cash. Those who are interested, feel free to inbox, and we can start right away. Yeah, we see our bank accounts adding more zeros every day. Thank you very much.